like that. So we try again now. I'll put that in now. I think we'll put some leaves in. So I'll mix some Payne's grey, a bit of cad yellow, and keep your all you do is just push. Use your white like that. It has to be in a circle, of course. Here. Once you get going, you can't stop. It's lovely. Right, now then, what should we have in there? Yeah, just another. Keep on with these yellows. And a bit of yellow behind there. Now, is that okay? Should we have one just fall in here? And just a bit of leave there. I think you'll enjoy doing this, won't you? That green in the background, you don't need to bother much about how you do it. Just do it any old way. Now we'll have to let that dry because it's the centres of these what makes it look good. So we'll put some yellow in the centre of these and a bit of oranges, I think, in the centre of these yellow ones. So, but we'll have to let it dry, so I can't rush at it, but you can take your time with it and do a nice, better job than me. Put some plenty on, eh? Emboss it. Here we go. Well, there you are. Let's have a few petals on the floor. I'll leave it at that. Now there you are. A bit more strength in the white. Oop. Now you can do them better than this. But is it fun having a go with this, doing it this way? There, ladies. Now I'm not very good at flower arranging, so, and I've not got flowers in front of me, so maybe you could balance them out better. So let's see your efforts, see what you've come up with. See, that flower's not big enough, is it? Not enough leaves on one side. So we'll just make some more leaves on that side. Maybe another white one just here. But we have to be careful, haven't you? Isn't it so many? You have to put on. Where's my glasses? Put my glasses. No? Just that bit longer. These ones. That's better, isn't it? Yeah. And that's not quite straight. Yeah, better. And that's not quite round, is it?